Welcome to 1329 Shadowbrook Terrace, 4-bedroom, 2.5-bath, completely detached gated home in Shadowbrook Estate. Come, have a look with me. This beautifully upgraded, freestanding home offers complete privacy and refined living in one of the area's most sought-after neighborhoods. Step into spacious living room adorned with wood laminate flooring, a cozy fireplace, paneled accent wall, recessed lighting, and built-in ceiling speakers perfect for relaxation and entertaining. Enjoy a serene backyard retreat with hardscaping, pavers, and tranquil fountain ideal for entertaining and outdoor gathering. The updated kitchen is a chef's dream, boasting modern cabinetry, some with glass front, a quartz countertop, glass tile backsplash, and movable island counter. A breakfast bar, recessed lighting, and ceiling fan completes the space. The garage has been converted into a media room, complete with wood laminate floors and a laundry hookup, offering flexible use of space. Additional upgrades include central AC and smart thermostat for year-round comfort. The powder room impresses with freestanding vanity, marble flooring, and an illuminated mirror for a designer touch. Upstairs offer vaulted ceiling, recessed lighting, and ceiling fan. Primary suite showcases vaulted ceiling, 2 large windows, and a spacious walk-in closet. Luxurious ensuite bathroom features dual marble sinks and gold fixtures, a separate soaking tub, and shower. 3 additional bedrooms offer vaulted ceiling, recessed light, and ceiling fans. Shadowbrook Estate offers resort-style amenities including sparkling pool, relaxing spa, barbecue area. If you would like more information about this home or would need any real estate related assistance, feel free to reach out to me. My information is below.